The Russia-Ukraine war marks a turning point in military history. It is the first major conflict where drones are the dominant force. These aren't the large, expensive drones of the past. This war is defined by small, agile, and affordable drones, some costing less than $500. These drones, often controlled by modified gaming consoles, are operated by soldiers just a few kilometers behind the front lines. They provide a live video feed, allowing operators to identify and engage targets with remarkable precision. One type of drone, the first-person view, or FPV drone, has become particularly impactful. FPV drones, originally designed for racing, are highly maneuverable and difficult to detect. Their low cost and ease of operation make them readily available, even for forces with limited resources. These drones can be armed with explosives, transforming them into guided missiles. The impact of drones on the battlefield is undeniable. They have become the leading cause of casualties in the conflict, surpassing traditional weapons. Reports indicate that drones are responsible for up to 70% of casualties in some battles, contributing to the staggering number of over 1 million soldiers killed or wounded. The proliferation of drones has shifted the nature of warfare, creating a constant threat from above. The battlefield has transformed into a deadly game of cat and mouse. Soldiers avoid open areas and vehicles, aware that they are prime targets for drone attacks. The traditional reliance on artillery duels has given way to a new reality where drones are the dominant force. This shift has been compared to having 1,000 snipers in the sky. Both Ukraine and Russia are engaged in a drone arms race, rapidly scaling up production. Ukraine claims to have produced over 1 million FPV drones in 2024 alone. Russia says it's producing thousands of drones daily. This mass production highlights the strategic importance of drones in modern warfare. The drones being deployed are not simply off-the-shelf commercial models, they have evolved into sophisticated weapons platforms. Advances in drone technology include improved battery life, enhanced cameras for night vision, and the development of autonomous features. These advancements make drones even more lethal and effective on the battlefield. The widespread use of drones has led to a parallel development in electronic warfare. Both sides are employing jamming techniques to disrupt enemy drone operations. However, jamming equipment can be bulky and expensive. Drone developers are responding with countermeasures. Drones are being equipped with frequency hopping technology, allowing them to switch between different radio frequencies to evade jamming attempts. Other innovations include fiber optic tethered drones for secure communication, and drones with automated flight patterns that can function even if communication is lost. The evolution of drone warfare is relentless. Larger mothership drones are being developed to carry and deploy swarms of smaller drones, extending their range and lethality. Ground drones, also known as battle bots, are being used for a variety of tasks, from delivering ammunition to evacuating casualties. The impact of drone warfare extends far beyond the battlefields of Ukraine. The conflict has served as a testing ground for drone technology, and the lessons learned are being studied by militaries around the world. The effectiveness of low-cost drones against conventional forces has forced a re-evaluation of military strategies and doctrines. The future of warfare will be defined by drones. As drone technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and lethal applications. The development of artificial intelligence and autonomous capabilities raises ethical and strategic questions that will need to be addressed. The dawn of drone warfare has ushered in a new era of conflict, one that is likely to reshape the geopolitical landscape for decades to come.